Many Spyderco knives have adjustable clips that allow you to configure them for different carry positions. This video is designed to teach you the basics of switching your knife's clip to suit your personal carry preferences. Before you attempt to change the position of your knife's clip, make sure you have the proper tools for the job. The exact tools you will need depend upon your specific model of knife and, in some cases, when it was made, as clip styles and screw types have evolved over time. A magnifying glass or loupe will help you examine the heads of your knife's clip screws to determine the correct tool for the job. But you'll find that most Spyderco clips can be serviced with a standard T6 or T8 Torx or star-shaped driver, a small Phillips screwdriver like No. 1 Phillips, a 1.5mm metric hex head or Allen wrench, or a small coin like a US penny or nickel. To change the position of a clip attached with Torx or Phillips head screws, place a folded towel or computer mousepad on a firm flat surface to protect your knife and keep it from rotating as you work. Place your closed knife on the pad, insert the tip of the tool into the screw head and apply firm downward pressure as you turn counterclockwise to loosen the screw. Make sure that you maintain downward pressure to avoid stripping the screw head. Repeat this process with the other screws until they are all loose, but leave them in the clip holes. Lift the clip and the screws together and hold the screws in place with your fingertip to avoid dropping them. Apply a small drop of temporary thread locking compound like Loctite to the threads of each screw and then align the clip and screws with the handle holes for your preferred mounting position. With the knife again supported by the towel or the mouse pad, turn the middle screw until it engages. This will align the clip and make the other screws easier to install. Turn all screws down until snug. Finish tightening them while applying firm downward pressure on the tool to avoid stripping the screw heads. Spyderco's wire clips are attached with hardware that includes either a single Torx screw or a Torx screw and a female body with a Torx head. If your knife's clip hardware has a single Torx screw, place your closed knife on a pad with the screw facing up. Using the proper size standard Torx driver, typically a T8, loosen the screw while maintaining firm downward pressure. The female side of the fastener has a D-shaped body that will prevent it from turning in its mounting hole. If the clip hardware on your knife has Torx heads on both sides, use 2 Torx drivers, one on each side to loosen the screw. Maintain firm pressure on both to avoid stripping the screw heads. Once the screw for the mounting hardware has been loosened a few turns, lift the wire clip up and remove it from the grooves in the handle. Push the screw head on that side of the handle down and turn the knife over. Insert the ends of the wire clip under the head of the fastener on the other side and tighten the screw to hold the clip in place. For maximum security, remove the screw completely and apply temporary thread locking compound to the threads before completing the installation. The clips of some Spyderco knives are attached with barrel bolt fasteners. To change the position of these clips, hold the closed knife over a towel or pad on a table and place your index finger over the head of the barrel bolt. Insert a coin into the slot on the other side of the barrel bolt, and while maintaining firm pressure, turn counterclockwise to loosen it. Remove the bolt assembly completely to move the clip to the opposite side. Place the head of the clip into the recess in the handle and insert the body of the barrel bolt, the larger piece with the internal threads, through the clip hole into the handle. Apply a drop of thread locker to the threads of the screw side of the fastener and thread the screw into the barrel bolt body. Tighten the screw with the coin to complete the job. With the proper tools and the knowledge gained from this video, you can easily configure the carry of your Spyderco knife to best meet your needs, preferences, and tactics.